Local business marketing is huge. Let's say you wanted to sell to companies in your city, or you wanted to sell to companies in a certain country. Today, I want to show you how to use a tool to do that in the easiest, most effective way possible. Stick around. This is going to be fun. Before we jump into it, make sure you smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe down below, and I'll talk to you soon. Leave a comment and let me know if you want more of this type of video. All right, with that being said, let's find some companies by location. Our go-to lead gen tool right now is Uplead. So let's go over to Uplead and we will go through their database and find some companies by location. First, why would you want to target a company based on location? Well, if you're targeting local businesses, let's say restaurants or even big corporations in your town, then targeting based on city would be very relevant. When I was in New York originally selling to startups, one of my key differentiators was I would email them and ask them to meet for coffee or meet in their office instead of doing a Skype meeting. And a few of the clients got back and said that the reason they met with me and not anyone else in this space is because I offered to meet in person. So meeting with people in your town and your area can be a huge advantage when you're competing with companies all over the world. So how do we do this? Let's go over to Uplead and click location. Now, we can see a few different targeting criteria here. We can go by company location by clicking this toggle, and we can either go by country. So let's say companies that are just in the United States. We can go by region, which is AMER, APAC, EMEA, and LATAM. So if you wanted to see like Asia Pacific region, or companies in Europe, or companies in the Americas, or Latin America, you could do any of those. You can also go by United State. So let's say we wanted companies that are just in Florida. We could see that. We can go by county even. So let's search Orange County, Florida. You can also go by metro area and city. The difference between metro area and city is the metro area is going to be a little wider. The city is going to be tighter. So that's the difference. If you really just want city targeting, you can do that as well. We can just search Orlando. And we can grab Orlando, Florida right here. And you can also search just by zip code. If you wanted to just search by zip code, you can do that as well and put in your zip code right here. And if it's in the database, it'll come up. So let's find some leads using this criteria. Let's go to contact search because we want individual people, not companies. And we will go to city. Let's search Orlando, Florida, and just hit done. And instantly, it's going to pull up a list of 288,000 contacts at these companies. But it's not just enough to get a bunch of companies in Orlando. We can go down by industry category and search services businesses, let's say engineering, accounting, research, management, and related services. And from here, we can narrow it down. Now it's 7,400 contacts that are senior designers at SmartBug Media, or senior solutions engineer at Deloitte. But they're still all over the organization, so we can click title and tighten it up even further to go by management level, hit C-level, VP, and hit done. And now the contacts will tighten up to where we need them, 593 contacts of VP and C-level people based in the United States in our accounting and management services niche. Easy as that. Now to download the leads, I'll just hit that check mark. I can hit download. We can select as many leads as we want, even as many as 300, and go to CRM export. We can export it directly into Mailshake, and we'll be good to go. That's it. Connect CRM, go right to Mailshake. The leads will be verified because this is Uplead, so it'll check every single one to make sure the emails are right, and then they'll be sent out. So if you're looking to find leads in your local area or in any local area, then I would highly recommend checking out Uplead. Uplead is a B2B lead generation tool that gives you access to millions of business contacts worldwide. Unlike other tools on the market, Uplead offers real-time email verification, so you can be sure that you're getting high-quality, accurate contact information. Try it out today and get 25 free leads by using the partner code X27. Let's talk about Cold Email University. If you want the easiest way to learn cold email, I've talked about this a million times, cold email is a skill that will change your life for the better. Imagine being able to contact anyone. If you want to sell a $10,000 deal, you can with cold email. If you want to get your dream job, you can with cold email. If you want to sell your software, you can do it with cold email. And Cold Email University
is the course for you. It's all of our insights from hundreds of students and millions of dollars generated via cold email. Our 7-figure agency is built on cold email, and most of what we do is built on this skill. The course will show you how to write your perfect cold email, how to take your current case studies and make them amazing, and how to improve your campaigns so that you can start booking massive deals right now, today. If that sounds interesting to you, go on over to coldemailuniversity.com and check out that course right now. coldemailuniversity.com. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube. Subscribe down below for more like this. If you want more videos like this, please leave a comment down below. That's the way that we know whether you like the content or not. You need to engage down below, and we'll get a conversation going. Ask about lead criteria. Ask about anything like that. Let me know in the comments. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.